Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Tools Insight back with another video. Today we're diving into 30 must-have tools on Amazon for 2025. We're not just talking about your average hammer and screwdriver. This is about leveling up your entire life. From essential oil diffusers to smart planners, fitness trackers to family wellness kits, we're covering all the bases. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a classic, the stress ball. Life can get hectic. Deadlines, traffic, to-do lists, it all adds up. Before you Hulk smash, grab one of these. A few squeezes can make a difference. Channel tension into something productive. Improve grip strength and hand-eye coordination. Meet your productivity powerhouse, the Smart Planner. No more scribbling appointments on scraps of paper. This is next-level organization. Digital calendars, task management, goal setting. Sync with your devices for reminders and tracking. No more missed appointments. Features like habit trackers and gratitude journals keep you focused and motivated. Embrace the power of planning. Let's get physical with the HIIT timer. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, short, intense, and effective. The HIIT timer tells you when to work and rest. Many have pre-programmed workouts and customizable settings. Whether you're seasoned or starting out, a HIIT timer maximizes your workouts. Let's talk about self-care because mental health is just as important as physical health. And that's where the essential oil diffuser comes in. This little device fills your home with calming aromas. Lavender for relaxation, peppermint for focus, citrus for energy. The possibilities are endless. A few drops of your favorite essential oil can create a calming atmosphere. Let's talk about staying healthy year-round as each season has its own challenges. A seasonal health guide is handy. Think of it as a roadmap for the seasons, with tips on boosting your immune system and managing allergies. Adapt to the environment and make healthy choices for overall well-being, no matter the weather. Family time is precious. Make the most of it with a family wellness kit, a curated collection of tools and resources to promote family health and well-being. Think jump rope for active play, a recipe book for nutritious meals, or a board game for quality time. When the family's healthy, everyone's happy. We spend a lot of time sitting down. All that sitting can take a toll on your body. That's where the ergonomic chair comes in. Adjustable lumbar support, breathable materials, and a design that promotes good posture. Say goodbye to back pain and hello to a healthier you. In today's fast-paced world, finding peace can feel impossible. That's where the meditation app comes in, your pocket-sized sanctuary for stress relief and mindfulness. From guided meditations to calming soundscapes, a meditation app helps you reduce anxiety and improve focus. Meditate anytime, anywhere on your commute, during lunch, or before bed. Prioritize your mental well-being and find your inner peace. Next up is the fitness tracker, your all-in-one health companion. This isn't just about counting steps anymore. We're talking heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, calorie counting, the works. Tracking steps motivates you to move more, sleep patterns help prioritize rest, and heart rate optimizes workouts. It's all about taking control of your health, like having a personal trainer and sleep coach in one. We live in a digital world, and all those screens, they're not doing our eyes any favors. Blue light blocking glasses are your secret weapon against digital eye strain. Blue light disrupts sleep, causes headaches, and leads to eye fatigue. These glasses filter out harmful blue light, protecting your eyes and improving sleep. On-the-go nutrition just got easier with the portable blender. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or short on time, this powerhouse is a game changer. From protein shakes to refreshing smoothies, the portable blender fuels your body with healthy goodness. Plus, it's super easy to clean, just blend soap and water, convenient nutrition. Ready to take your home workouts to the next level? You need adjustable dumbbells in your life. Switch up your resistance with just a twist of a dial. Adjustable dumbbells offer a versatile workout experience. From bicep curls to shoulder presses, the possibilities are endless. Build some serious muscle. Let's be real, sitting all day isn't doing wonders for our health. But fear not, there's a solution: the standing desk. Standing desks improve posture, boost energy, and burn more calories. They're a great way to switch up your routine and avoid the afternoon slump. Whether you choose a standing desk or a converter, stand up for your health and productivity. In a world full of distractions, finding focus can feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, noise-canceling headphones are here to save the day. By blocking out ambient sounds, they create a sanctuary of silence, allowing you to focus without distractions. Plus, they sound amazing, so you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts. It's time to silence the noise and amplify your focus. Ready to stretch your way to a calmer you? You need a yoga mat in your life. Providing cushioning and support during poses and creating a space for your practice, a yoga mat is essential for any yogi. Plus, they're not just for yoga, use them for stretching, Pilates, or even relaxation. Find your flow, one pose at a time. Staying hydrated is crucial, but it can be challenging. The water bottle with time marker helps you sip throughout the day. Clear markers and motivational messages make tracking fun and easy. Reduce plastic waste and save money with reusable bottles. Raise a reusable bottle to good health. In today's always-on world, getting good sleep can feel like a luxury. But fear not, the sleep mask is here to help you catch those Z's. By blocking out light, sleep masks create a dark, peaceful environment. They can help reduce eye strain and even prevent wrinkles. Invest in your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Looking for a versatile workout you can do anywhere? Look no further than resistance bands. These portable bands offer a full-body workout customizable to your fitness level. From glute bridges to bicep curls, resistance bands target various muscle groups. Ditch bulky equipment and embrace resistance bands. Snacking can be a slippery slope, but it doesn't have to be. With a healthy snack subscription box, you can satisfy cravings with nutritious, delicious goodness. From trail mixes to protein bars, these boxes offer a variety of healthy options. Ditch the junk food and embrace healthy snacking. In today's digital age, it's easy to develop poor posture. Slouching over screens can lead to back and neck pain. The Posture Corrector helps you straighten up and stand tall. It pulls your shoulders back and aligns your spine. Embrace the power of good posture. In a world full of noise and distractions, it's easy to lose touch with our thoughts and emotions. Journaling is a powerful tool for self-discovery and growth. With prompts designed to spark introspection, guided journals help you process emotions and set goals. Unlock your thoughts and emotions and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Ready to torch calories and build muscle at home? You need a HIIT workout DVD. Choose from a variety of workouts to fit your fitness level and goals. From beginner to advanced, HIIT workout DVDs offer a challenging way to get in shape. Ditch the excuses and embrace the power of HIIT. Looking for a simple way to create a relaxing atmosphere in your home? Look no further than aromatherapy candles. With a wide range of scents, find the perfect aroma to suit your mood. Aromatherapy candles can reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost your mood. Light up your senses and calm your mind. A cluttered desk can be a major distraction, but fear not, the desk organizer is here to help you conquer your workspace. With compartments for everything, stay organized and focused. It's time to ditch the clutter and embrace organization. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who sits at a desk all day, a foam roller can be a lifesaver. This simple tool relieves muscle tension, improves flexibility, and reduces stress. By applying pressure to trigger points, foam rollers release knots and tightness. It's time to roll away muscle tension and stress. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Explore delicious and nutritious meals that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive dishes, healthy recipe books satisfy every craving. Ditch the takeout menus and embrace the joy of cooking. Looking for a natural way to reduce stress and improve your sleep? Look no further than the weighted blanket. These blankets provide gentle, comforting pressure to calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. The weight simulates being hugged, reducing anxiety and promoting security. Embrace the comfort and reduce the stress. Looking for a fun and effective way to get in shape? Look no further than the HIIT jump rope. Torch calories, improve cardiovascular health, and build coordination. Find the perfect routine online or in fitness apps. It's time to jumpstart your fitness journey. During winter, many of us don't get enough sunlight, essential for vitamin D production. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune function, and mood. The vitamin D lamp helps you soak up sunshine indoors. These lamps emit UV rays mimicking natural sunlight, helping your body produce vitamin D. Brighten your mood and boost your health with a vitamin D lamp. In today's digital age, it's crucial to make time for family. Connect, compete, and create memories with a family game night set. From board games to card games, there's something for everyone. Unplug, engage in friendly competition, and create lasting memories. Gather the family, roll the dice, and let the good times roll. So there you have it, folks. 30 must-have tools on Amazon for 2025. From stress-busting gadgets to productivity powerhouses, these tools help you live your best life. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Links to all products are in the description below. Stay healthy, stay productive, and keep innovating.